Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I will do quick review of TidyCal. This is software with which you can manage your booking. You can share your calendar so people can book time with you. You can accept payments. It has payments integration with PayPal, Stripe. It has integrations with automation tools like Zapier. It integrates with Zoom and Google Meet. And basically, it is your Calendly alternative. So you probably heard about Calendly. And if we take a look at the pricing, so to get payments integration, you need to pay $10 monthly. But why would you do so if you can get the same functionality as a one-time purchase, as a lifetime deal? And by the way, this software is being developed by AppSumo development team. And they launched their product on Product Hunt and actually got few awards, Product of the Day, of the Week, and second place as Product of the Month. So yeah, basically you just define the event types and you get a link so people can book a time with you. It integrates with Google Calendar, Apple iCal, and Microsoft 365 Calendar. Zoom and Google Meet can generate meeting URLs for your calendar invite. And as I mentioned before, you can get paid through PayPal and Stripe integrations. And the licensing is pretty straightforward, just one license tier, which unlocks all the functionality. The price might increase soon, but still I think it will be a great deal, even if the price will increase a little. Let's take a look at the advanced integrations. And by the way, this tool provides a lot of functionality for free. You can manage your bookings, but if you would like to get additional features like custom reminders, group bookings, booking limits, exports, and other features, yep, you will need to get a license for lifetime deal. Okay, so this is the main page, and I like tools which are laser focused on one thing, and in this aspect, TidyCal really delivers. It is really simple to use. So the first thing that you can see, you can define booking types. Basically, those are types of the meeting which can be scheduled with you. You can share that link and people can just choose time with predefined time slots and just book. Then people can add the invite to their calendar of their choice, and that's how easy it is. You can see created bookings at the bookings section. You can validate the details. You will be able to see the contacts information, and of course you will be able to export that. And if we create a new booking type, like 10 minutes introduction call, we can specify the duration, availability, and here's where the magic begins. We can view advanced booking type settings. And by the way, this deal I'm looking to get for myself because it is really nice one. Really easy to use, very straightforward. So you can manage fine-tuned settings of your bookings, like how far in advance people can book. For example, 2 hours before current time, people cannot book. You can limit maximum bookings. If you have AppSumo license, you can add the location. It can be online, phone, or custom. You can just provide the description for custom, add phone number or online video conference options. You can add your own link. You can generate Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams links. You can enable group bookings, so several people can book the same time. You can enable people to invite guests to the bookings. You can set up Stripe and PayPal integration and collect payments for your bookings. You can add questionnaires for invited people. You can enable recurring bookings, send custom email reminders, redirect people to custom pages. You can hide specific types of bookings if needed. And there is a special feature, booking type directory, where people can share their bookings and services. So let's create new booking type. And that's it. So you can share the link to your booking on the social media, and you will be given the main page where people can see what kind of bookings are available with you. So we just created 10-minute call, but you get the idea. And the important setting is availability. So you can set up the global availability for each day. You can add windows of the availability. You can set up availability on a specific date. Yeah, that's pretty powerful and pretty straightforward. Another nice feature, you can create polls where people can vote for the better time of the meeting. This is one I've just created. And yeah, basically that's it. I think it's pretty nice and straightforward software to use. So if you don't yet have any similar software, this is a great choice. And if you don't want to pay monthly to the tools like Calendly, again, TidyCal is a great option. So please check my link to TidyCal in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.